How's it going, everyone? I hope y'all are all having an amazing day. I know I'm having a really great one so far. I just finished making an almond butter cake and it came out perfect. I'll be putting a video out on that soon. But as I was taking it out the oven, I kind of thought to myself, I don't want to have to document this part of my process every single time I make a cake video, right? Seems like that would kind of get boring, repetitive, not really fun to watch. So I thought, why don't I make a quick reference video on how I level and store my cakes, and then when I make a cake video in the future, I could just refer back to this one for that part of the process. So that's kind of what we're doing here today. Let's go ahead and get right into it. After making sure my cakes are fully baked, I pull them out of the oven one at a time. I remove the cake strip and cover the top of the cake with parchment paper. I'll grab a cake circle to help me flip my cake without splitting it. After removing the pan and my center cake spike, I cover the bottom of the cake with another piece of parchment, and I'll flip my cake back over and trim away all the extra paper. I'll take my serrated leveler and set the height just beneath the top of the cake. After running the leveler in a back and forth motion, I'll push that cake aside and lay out a couple of strips of saran wrap. Notice I haven't yet removed my cake top. This is because I'm trying to keep all my steam in to preserve moisture. Now place the cake on the saran wrap and remove the top. And quickly wrap the cake. Be sure not to add any bulk under your cake. Our first folds go onto the top. Then I'll add another super short piece of saran wrap that fits just over the sides, and I'm left with 4 small corners that I can easily fold flat under my cake. Now each cake gets its own cake board and they go straight into the freezer. And that's all there is to it, but I did feel it was super important that I share with you because it truly has been a game changer when it comes to how I retain so much moisture in all my cakes. So I hope it could be just as beneficial for you as it has been for me. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.